Hi, I'm Leandra Webray, and I'm a data scientist at Decision Inc. I'm here to talk to you today about our promotions work. Promotions are a critical part in any retail or FMCG business, but if not done correctly, they can result in losses instead of gains. We did a project for a global snacks manufacturer who needed assistance with their promotions effectiveness visualization. Before our project, they were doing all of this work manually in Excel. The process would take them hours on a monthly basis to collate all the data from different data sources and perform the calculations around the effectiveness of the promotion. With our solution, we were able to automate all of this data collection and calculation in Alteryx. And because it was automated, we could now run it on a daily basis, meaning they got daily visibility on their promotions as they were happening and could make corrections. In addition to this, they didn't have much visibility around which promotions were working the best, for example, which brands and which regions. With our Qlik Sense visualizations, they were able to get a quick view of which promotions were performing the best, and in this way they were able to make much better decisions going forward with their promotional planning. We also added a competitor analysis view, so they were now able to see which competitor activity might have happened at the same time and might have impacted their promotions. And as a third metric, we also added in the consumer behavior. So although they were seeing the effectiveness of promotions to their customer, we now added a view where they could see if the consumers were actually getting benefit and whether the sales were actually increasing due to the promotions. All of this helped with a huge time savings for the global snacks manufacturer, as well as much better decision making going forward around their promotions. If you'd like to hear more about some of our other case studies or get involved in some of this work we do around promotions analysis, please take a look at decisioninc.com.